There are a few critical steps that people often mess up, so I will show each step clearly. Entering through the passenger side, we're gonna go and open the door all the way, and you can see this is the glove box right here. Now, we just opened that up. You can see it did not go all the way down. Be sure to remove everything from inside the glove box because it will be folding down. Now this is where I'm going to take my screwdriver. We're going to go over here to the left side towards the driver's side, and you see that strut right there. We just want to go ahead and pop that off, and I'm just twisting this, and there we go. So that strut is off. So with two hands I'm going to push in, and that allows this to fold down. As you can see, it just came down completely, and that opened up our access to the door. From here, this tab right here, we're going to push that like this and slide this over that direction. We can go ahead and pop this off. Notice the airflow orientation. This is where a lot of people go wrong because they put the air filter in upside down. So air filter flow is going down. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my finger right there. Just pull this out. And on the top is where all the debris is going to be. Now for the fun part, putting the air filter back in. Notice the arrow is pointing down just like the prior one was. We just want to go ahead and gently push that into place. And now that is in place, we want to take our cover. All right, so you can see I have this pushed in like this, and we're going to go ahead and just gently push it to the right like that. And then I pushed on this to make sure that it latched. And now we can go ahead and put the glove box back in place. You can see that it's got these little claws right here. Those are going to loop onto there. So that's going to help us just roll it up. Set into place. I'm going to grab the strut to pull it aside. That way we don't bind up on it and shove it back in place. As I'm rotating up, I'm going to go ahead and pay close attention to the strut. And we're going to set that in place like that. Now, as you can see, I still haven't locked the sides yet. That's okay. Now we can push up and it's locked into place. Verify closure. If it closes all the way, you did it. You're good to go.